So here you can see I'm basically relining the forge with fire cement. On my last video I was trying to forge weld some metal together, and this forge only had the one burner, just wasn't cutting the mustard. So I last night I actually added another burner, built another burner, and added it to the forge basically by taking the one burner out the middle and drilling two further holes either side of that one. And here, after doing all that, I've fit the two burners in, and I'm basically plugging up the hole in the middle and relining the forge with fire cement just to make it, well, it's going to be a hell of a lot hotter, I'm hoping. So I'm just relining the forge to try and handle that heat. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here.